Welcome back, guys. In this video I am going to show you some strategies on attacking some bases, some special type of bases with dragons. Okay. uh, in some of the initial bases like this, what actually you should take care to get 3 star with dragons is that, okay, you can see some of the buildings are uh, in the corners. Okay, builder huts. So if there are builder huts in the corner, you should take some of the archers so that it may get destroyed. And you can also see there is air defense in the middle, and the air sweeper is targeting this region, so that if you are using your dragon in this path, then this air sweeper may create some problems. Okay. Also you can see that you can use your dragons to funnel these buildings. Okay, you can funnel like this and this, and make your dragons to go straight into the th. But in the initial basis, guys, you don't have so much of troops. Okay, so you cannot waste one or two dragon in this side and one or two dragon in this side, and then you deploy four or five dragons straight into the th. Then this type of strategy may not work. Okay, so in the initial basis, guys, what you can do, in place of funneling both side, you can funnel only one side. Okay, so what I am telling, that you should funnel either in either this space. Okay, by using your dragons, one or two dragons with a red spell, and then deploy your other dragons in one go. Okay, then what will happen, since this is already taken down by your funneling troop, then the dragon will straightforward move to this place, and then it will get distributed to this area and this area. Okay, let me show you the example. What I have done, I have deployed my archers in the corner. Okay, and in one place I have used my wizards to clear this builder hut. Okay, now I have checked whether the cc have any means troops or not, clan castle. If there is some clan castle troop, then I have to take them out in the corner. Okay, now I have used two dragons to funnel, and then I have uh, used the race spell. Okay, and you can see, guys, how easily these dragons make the area almost clear. Then I have deployed all my dragons. Okay, and I have put one red spell so that the buildings can be easily be cleared, and this air defense may not affect much. As I have said, guys, since this area is almost clear, then from this area some dragons have moved this side and some dragons have moved this side. Okay, and now I will put some final rage, and the building th is already destroyed. uh, Now I have used one last wizard to clear the trash buildings, and But you can see guys, the giant bomb is here and it will kill my wizard. uh, what was the main motive of deploying my wizard here is that I don't want my dragons to be focused outside, okay, so that it may stay in the base within the boundary only. And you can see guys, the attack is almost successful and the base is almost cleared. Okay, hope you have liked this video guys. Meet you in next video.